Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications when I post something new. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, this one just came in the door, and it is number 14 of the Farm Animal Swap, Make One, Get One, or Make Two, Get Two. The requirements: you need to have an ACT or MDC, something beaded, 2 Crafter's Choice items, a store-bought goodie with cute packaging. This one is coming from Leslie, and she has packaged it all up cute for her swap partner, and this is adorable. A diamond painting cow. How cute, with the fall foliage. So cute. So your swap partner is going to have fun with that. She has it packaged up in this cute box with these on the outside. So this looks like a pin and pokey tool. Uh-oh. Let me set this aside. This is falling apart. Not too bad though. It's just this one came off, and then the thing has unscrewed from the top. Not a big deal. Let me just put it right back on, because that's just how we roll. There we go. So you get a pokey tool with a matching pin. Ooh, that looks like it's unscrewing too. Oh no, this is not a pin. This is one of those picker-upper thingies. Is it screwing in there? Maybe it just spins to infinity. There we go. I think it's about... It's not coming down. So she has the same style beads. They're like the, what do you call these? The diamond dots, sort of, glued around on a bead to make it shiny like that. And then she's got the cow in there. And then she has put chickens and Hello Sunshine on there. So that's super cute. And then what do we have here? Look at this bow in this envelope. So this is like a... Oh, I thought this was like an ACT. Okay, so you're going to get a Hobby Lobby gift card. It doesn't have a amount on it, so that will be a surprise to you when you go shopping, whoever gets her swap. And then inside, here is this cute little cow, and it's got the brown cow print. And inside, she has gifted some mini daisies, very cute. Some Howdy hat stickers. Oh, I love those. Those are cute. And then, I'm gonna move my new pen out of the way. And then she has the package of cow tags, a foam tape dispenser box. You're one of my favorite peeps, and it's got the chickens in the back, and it says foam tape. Oh, that's so cute, so adorable. This is very sturdy and well made. And then yeehaw. Oh, so you get 2 pokey tools, and this one's falling apart too. Oh my goodness. And how do you open this? Okay, so it says Howdy with the prize ribbon, a little cowboy, and a horse. And these beads are just rolling all around, so let's see if we can get this made. And I do not know how you had this, in what order, so we're just going to stick them on and hope for the best that it's the way that you had it. I do not know, so there it is. And then we'll screw this back on. Oh. Oh, this is... Okay, there we go. So I'm not sure which way this went. So whoever gets this, they can adjust it to however they want. And look at this, that's so cute. I've not seen this focal bead for the cow. This is like a little baby one, little calf. And then she has it in this nice big case. Very cute, very decorative. Love it. Is this one of those makeup brush type things? It's very cute. And then you get a package of cow tails for a sweet treat. Oh my goodness. Y'all, she put like straw. Not the crinkle stuff. This is straw. How creative. Like for real. Like down on the farm. I love that. Okay, let's set that back there. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump it, but I need to pick it up and move it out of my way so we can go over her lovely little book. Oh my gosh. So you get the keychain. Okay, I want to make sure that didn't come untwisted. Cute. With this cow and a little flower necklace. Adorable. And then on this side you get flowers. How cute. Oh, look at these bows. These bows are adorable. And then some rosettes. And then the MDC is in the back. And let's see. Okay, so there's no address on it. It just has her information. Leslie Jones, Crafty Coco, TikTok, Crafty Coco, YouTube, Crafty Coco 73, and the birthday is October 18th. And she has done Farm Fresh with the cow and the chicken and the sun. Super cute. And I just love this book. It's so cute. So she has, I think, it's this, yeah, I can't think of the name of this paper company. I want to say it's Cuttlebug. Maybe. I think a lot of people use the Cuttlebug style. Yeah, it looks like the little farm boy that was on it. What a cute embellishment book. This is adorable. And this will make a cute photo album for later use if you wanted to add photos. So cute. Thank you, Leslie, for joining the swap. And your partner is going to love what you have gifted. Put all your straw back in there. And then, yeah, what a cute, creative swap you made. Your swap partner is going to enjoy everything. Thank you for joining the swap. Thanks for watching. Bye.